Hello. Hello, Dr. SHAHNAWAZ. Hello. I am Dr. SHAHNAWAZ, Assistant Professor, JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about the common statistical terms and notations. First common terms is mean. What is the mean? The average result of test, survey of experiment. That is the mean. For example, height of 5 people. 5 feet 6 inches, 5 feet 7 inches, 5 feet 10 inches, 5 feet 8 inches, and 5 feet 8 inches etc. Sum of is 339 inches. The divide 339 inches by 5 peoples equal to 67.8 inches or 5 feet 7.8 inches. The mean average is 5 feet 7.8 inches. Second terminology is median. The most important common terms. Median is also part of the central tendency. State that the score of divided by results in half the median value. Example, odd amount of number and the median of 5 feet inches, 5 feet 7 inches, 5 feet 10 inches, 5 feet 8 inches, 5 feet 8 inches. Line up the number of from smallest to largest, 5 feet to 6 inches, 5 feet to 7 inches, of 5 feet to 8 inches, 5 feet to 8 inches, 5 feet to 10 inches. The median is 5 foot 8 inches, the number of middle and even the amount of number. Find the median. 7, 2, 43, 16, 11, 5. Line up the number of numbers in orders 2, 5, 7, 11, 16 and protected. That means the arranging the numbers. Add the two middle numbers and divided by 2, 7 plus 11, 18 divided by 2 equal to 19. The median is 9. Second and third most important terminology is mode. The most common results, the most frequent value of the test, survey or experiment, that is the modes. Significant, the measure of whether the result of researcher were due to chance. The more statistical significant assigned to an observations, the less likely to observation occur by chance. P-value, the way in which significant is statistically p less than 0.1 means that there is less than 1% chance that the result of a survey are due to random chance. Not in general, p-value needs to fairly low 0 to 5% are common in order to study to make a strong claim based results. But if researcher decides the significant level is 5%, then we check the significant level with the help of p-value of 0.0 to 0.05. If researcher have decided the significant value 1%, that means p-value are significant when the p-value is devoted 0 to 0.01. Correlation, the degree to which the two factors appear to be related. That that is the relation between two variables, dependent variable and independent variables. Correlation should not be confused with the causations just because two factors are reported as being correlated. You can't say that one factor causes the others. For example, you might find a correlation between going to the library at least 40 times per semester and getting high score on test. However, you can't say from these findings what about going to the library or what people who go to library often is responsible for higher test scores. Population's parameters. Mu refers to the population means. Rho refers to the standard deviation of the population. Rho square refers to the variations. Small sigma square or rho square refers to the variance of the population. P refers to the populations of population element that have particular attributes. Q refers to the promotion of population element that do not have particular attributes. So Q equal to 1 minus P. P is the population correlations based on the element from the population. N is the number of element of in the populations. Sample statistics. X refers to the sample mean. X bar refers to the sample mean. S refers to the standard deviation. S square refers to the variance of sample. P refers to the population of sample element that have particular attributes. And Q refers to the population of sample element that do not have particular attributes. So Q equal to 1 minus P. R is the sample correlation coefficient based on all of the elements from a sample. N is the number of elements in a sample. Simple regression. B naught is the intercepts constant in a population regression line. B1 is the regression coefficient, that is the slope in population regression lines. R square refers to the coefficient of determinations. B naught is intercept constant a simple regression lines, and B1 refers to regression coefficient in simple regression lines, that is also called slope. And SB1 refers to the standard error or slope of regression line. So probability, terminology in probability, PA refers to probability that event A will occur. PAB refers to the condition of probability that event N A occur given that event B has occurred. PA refers to the probability that complement of event A. P A unit intersection B refers to the probability of intersection of event A and B. P A union B refers to the probability of union of event A and B. Ex refers to the expected value of random variable x. B X and P refers to the binomial probability. B multiply X and P refers to the negative by binomial probability. GXP refers to the geometric probability. HX and capital N small k refers to the hyptometric probability. Stated. Sigma is the summation symbol used to compute sum over the range of the value. Sigma x or sigma xi refer to the sum of set of n observations. For example, sigma x1 x xi equal to sigma x or sigma xi equal to x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 and so on x1. SQRT refers to the square roots functions. SQRT 4 equal to 2 and SQRT 2.5 equal to 5. VARX refers to the variance of the random variable of x. SDX refers to the standard deviation of random variable of x. S is refers to the standard error in statistics. ME refers to the margin of error. DF refers to the degree of freedoms.